Well, welcome back. We've been working on this car quite a bit. I've been struggling to get some videos made out of this because I've been working so much. I've been coming out here at night and just kind of putting away with it for like an hour and a half, an hour here and there, whenever I can get time. So we've got all the motor mounts in. We've got the front solid motor mount in. I had to call and confirm that I can run this. They gave me the big thumbs up. We got the new thermostat housing in. We got the wires all cleaned up. We got an alternator on. The shifter down here, I was having problems getting in all the gears because of how smashed back it was. So now it's kind of fixed. We got the grounds all done. Transmission cooler is not done yet. It's still just sitting here. Mostly because I kind of maybe used the hood on a different car because I forgot what the hood was used for. It actually ended up on Steven's car, and it was in Aurelia. It was, yeah, I forgot it was the hood to this car, so I gave it to him. If you guys notice, I kind of cut out a little bit of the wiper cowl right here, and that's because this was broke off, so I drilled and tapped this out to a 1/8 inch pipe thread and rerouted all of my vacuum lines because the other one got smashed off, so now it's kind of clear. Now, you guys are all asking me about Egr Delete. Jeffy just put a kit out called Camera in a Box, so I've been getting asked a lot of questions about this. Once you block this off, you just reroute these vacuum lines. You don't really have to, you don't really need to, but don't worry about all the other vacuum lines. The only one that you really have to worry about is this one, this plug right here. Make sure the plug is all covered up. And then if you really want it, they have the vacuum here for your, they have the vacuum right here for your choke. That's the only other one you have to worry about. We got the window bar on, we got the cage in, we got the doors tied shut. I'd probably like to do a little bit down here with the doors. We got the battery box in, we got the floor cleaned up, the shifter's been modified to work. I still have to get the roller coaster out of the fuel line. Super easy to do. Got the trunk all done. We got the threaded rod in the trunk. We got the seat belts on the trunk. I got the spoiler taken off. I started 9 wiring back here. It's hideous. Don't even look at it. I wasn't having a good time while doing it, but it's done. We got the holes cut in the trunk. What else have we got done? Driver door tied shut. We got the struts behind. Sorry, the blocks behind the struts. I cut the front of the frame off to start bringing the bumper on. Now for bumper, I'm definitely going to run my Camaro bumper. I phoned ahead and got the okay to run my Camaro bumper, so I'm super excited. I'm going to be talking to a couple other promoters about my Camaro bumper. Rules are it can be a rebar bumper and it can't be a mid-size or a full-size, but I can run a Crown Vic and I can run Caravans. The rule is kind of shady. I got to talk to him and get him an okay and ask him some questions on some other cars. But other than that, everything is going good. I'm going to finally be able to try out these aluminum rims. Steven did try them out in Aurelia. He did really good with them. He didn't pop a single tire. He did have a giant gouge for like from here to here. But the rim didn't bend. It didn't break the bead. Nothing went wrong with it. So he's pretty happy with them. Some of you guys have been asking me, why is the door all kind of pounded in like this? And the answer is, I wasn't paying attention and I had the door open and I was backing up and I hit another car and folded the door right around. So to get this door to close was a nightmare. I had to basically unscrew all of these bolts right here, and then I had to put a come along from here to the cage to pull the door back, and then I had to hit it with a sledgehammer to get the door to close. Moral of the story is make sure your door's closed when you're backing up, because yeah, stupid things happen. Rule state sunroof must be covered with a piece of steel. So this is a giant piece of aluminum out of a side of a old freight trailer from, I guess, think of Molson's or something like that. And I had to cut a piece out of it and put a door in. So for the last 7 years I've been using, I have 2 of them. I've been using them with sunroof covers, and I just mount them with tech screws. Everybody gives me crap for mounting my tech screws down. I don't care. We got morettes here. Seen the morette? Everybody gives me crap for using morettes, but you know what? I like them. We got morettes all holding everything together. Starters on. I'm still having an issue with the power steering on this car. Not 100% sure what it is. We have the threaded rods on. I got to cut this one to fit. It was just a piece I had lying around. Motor mount. I'm really not sure what else. A lot of you guys have been asking me about the rear tires. These are 12-inch trailer tires. I have 8-inch trailer tires, and I have 13-inch trailer tires. Right over here, I believe. Yep, there's my 13-inch trailers right there. So some companies have a rule saying 13-inch is the smallest tire I'm allowed. In that case, I'll run those. But if they don't have a rule saying how small a tires I run, I either run donuts or I run 12s, or even run 10s or 8s. You'll find these a lot of times people get rid of them. They're off like snowmobile trailers or small boat trailers. The tread gets worn out and they pretty much just throw it away. As you can see, like this one's worn way down for some strange reason. So they just throw them out, and I'm able to get them sometimes. Whenever I get them, I kind of grab them. But we already have the GoPro mount already in here, right there. I do like to have a backwards facing one. A lot of you guys are asking me why I don't have a back window bar, and most of my rules say you can either have a back window bar or you can have a gas tank protector. And I really prefer the gas tank protector over the back window bar. But to each their own. If you prefer one or the other, leave a comment down below and let me know. But yeah, we've been slowly picking away at this thing and getting it done. And this is what we are right now. So, you know, a couple more days and this thing will be ready for the show. And yeah, we'll be good to go in no time. So I want to do a big shout out to everybody. Thanks very much for watching. I know 2020 has not been a derby year. I've only basically ran 2, and one of them was a winter show before COVID even happened. And then we had COVID all summer, and I was only able to run the Aurelia one, and I'm super excited to run this one. So I'm trying to get as much derby footage as I can for you guys, because I know you guys are dying to see some. I wish I was down in the USA, because they're still running demolition derbies. So it would be really good to be down there, being able to run with my friends. Up here, we ain't really able to do that right now. So I just want to say thank you, everybody, for sticking with me and watching my videos. I know it's been a little bit slow and a little bit dry all summer, but if 2021 kind of comes back, you guys know I'll be at all the derbies filming and getting content for every single one of you guys. So thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you back here tomorrow on Zach's Workshop. Take care.